Hello and welcome everyone on my channel. I hope you are doing great in your life. So today in this video I will be covering thoroughly about UGC-Net examination which was held yesterday, that is 14th October. Now I am in a very good position to review the entire setup of this examination because yesterday even I had my examination and it was my very first attempt. So everything was very new for me, and I feel like if somebody who is a net aspirant ahead, this video would be quite helpful for them. Definitely in this video I am not talking about the preparation part. For that I would be filming another video, so stay tuned. So today I would be talking about everything in the net examination which I liked, which I disliked, my experience, everything regarding the yesterday examination. UGC conducts net examination for assistant professor as well as JRF. Now what is JRF? JRF is Junior Research Fellowship, which the PhD student would be awarded with. And after clearing your net, you are eligible to be for the post of assistant professor. So net JRF is no two different examination. If you are a student who would be thinking, you would be thinking net would be a different exam and JRF a different exam. No, that was actually a myth. I was even I even thought that it is a two different exam or what. No, it is just one exam. Okay, so there is a qualifying marks. If you qualify that, you are net qualified. But if you get a very good marks in that, like 150 questions are there, okay, and 40% it is qualifying for the general and 35 for the reserved category. Now coming forward, you need to go forward for this notification because this is not what I would be filming. I'm not here to film. I'm saying that extra for you, okay. So if 40%, I'm just taking the general thing, okay, to make things a bit convenient. 40% if you have cleared, you are now a net qualified person. But for example, for the cutoff of JRF was some 60% of that. This is a rough idea, okay. So if you cleared that 60% halt, now you are a JRF qualified. So this net and JRF is no different examination. Now this year, UGC had to conduct its net examination in the month of August, and we have seen so much of delay in this examination. It got conducted in October, 14th October, which was yesterday. Coming forward to the admit card was released on 12th October, okay, 2 days before the examination, and you had to report. I got the second half sitting, okay, so you had to report the center half an hour before your timing. My timing was 3 to 6. The examination timing was 3 to 6. So I had, the gate was closed. The gate would get closed by 2:30. So I had to report before 2:30. Now you can see that yes, I usually wear a bit of jewelry, like jewel pieces. From yesterday I did not even put them because I didn't get time. So you know, it is a CBT, means it is a computer based test and you don't need any metal on your body. So they would make sure that you don't put any metal, you don't carry any metal, your ring, your neck piece, kada or earring, everything they would tell you to remove it and keep it. Okay, now in that examination, there are certain things that would be asked in the admit card, like you need to carry a transparent pen, you need to carry your photograph and your ID proof, as well as apart from this, yes, you don't need to carry anything, you just need to carry your hall ticket, that is your admit card, and come to the exam center. As you would reach the center, there would be the checking, the metal and everything would be removed. You should not wear a very thick sole shoes and sandal as such. So once you will get there would be a biometric, okay. My biometric happened, and also if you know in your ID proof your date of birth is not clearly mentioned or something of that sort is missing, you would be asked to fill a declaration. So once your declaration is filled, your biometrics got over would happen, you would be allotted a computer number, okay, a seat number. For example, 200, 100, whatever, okay. Once that is allotted, you would again get a, and one more thing I forgot, they would give you a they would give you a mask which you need to carry with you. So mask generally we carry with ourselves to the exam center. In this particular exam, you don't have to carry the mask from your end. The examination center would provide you with the mask, and that you need to wear it throughout the examination, because there was an announcement over there that they had asked particularly to keep the mask on, and when students had removed the mask in between, there were invigilators who came and reminded them to wear the mask or get away from the examination. It's that strict. You really need to put on your mask. Now, once your computer seat number is allotted, again a checking would be done. You would be given a rough sheet, and in case somebody didn't carry a pen, okay, it is asked in the admit card to carry a transparent pen. So if your pen is not transparent, means the area where the lead is there, that should be visible. So they would provide you pen with their end. Now you need to go to your computer screen, okay. There you need to log in. There would be announcement made from their end, so you need to be very thorough about the announcement. They would only give you the password from their end, the PIN number from their end, so that you need to be very alert, okay. And you can also ask the invigilator in case of doubt. So in case you are finding difficult anywhere, okay, just raise your hand, the invigilator will come, he or she will help you out. So now coming forward to the examination, I found yesterday's exam not very tough. It was not something very out of the box. Touch wood when I'm saying this, I hope my marks even come good, okay, because the exam was not very tough or something which is Greek and Latin for somebody who has like studied anything. Now I would say, before ending this video, before a tip for everybody who's preparing, I solved around 2013 to 2020 all previous year question paper. So it would be great help for you. Do solve previous year question papers. It's such a great help. I think many questions got repeated, and there were few questions I was like, yes, I had solved that in the paper. So do solve the previous year question paper. It would help you a lot. Now now when you would be starting the exam, there are like you can click on the right option, like same like how you fill OMR sheet. 4 options would be there. Now here you have to click. Now in case you don't know answer, you can move to the previous, you can move the next, okay. But there is an option to flag. If you want to get back to that question, you can flag it. Now in this CBT mode of examination, there is not something like if you have marked a answer and moved to the next question, you cannot come back. You can definitely come back to the previous question. Also, there is a in the right hand corner, you can check the exam status, how many questions you have attempted, how many questions you have not attempted. Everything is given. There is paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is general for all. You all must be knowing. Paper 2 is your subject in which you have to pursue your PhD, or the subject in which you have done your masters. Mine was law. So basically paper 1 consists 50 questions, paper 2 consists of 100 questions, okay. You can start your you can start the answering from any of these, paper 1, paper 2. There is no restriction as such. You can freely move to previous questions, next question. You can flag, you can remove flag, you can see how many questions you attempted, how many are unattempted. I think that this computer based examination was so good. Why so? Because in OMR sheet there are many times we do not fill correctly, we do not circle correctly. Many times it happens that question number 4 answer we have given to question number 5, question number 19 question we have given to question number 17. Many times you don't know, like 17 we have attempted, 18 we have not attempted, 20 we need to attempt. So 20's answer we have filled in 18. Okay, so in OMR all these are the difficulties you face, but in CBT format I found this was so convenient. Also, it saves so much of paper. It's such a blessing, like there is no wastage of paper as such. So I found this CBT mode such a relief, because you can go back to your question. Also, there is no chance of doing that mistake what we do generally in OMR sheet. Overall, the experience was great. After once exam was over, you were told to log out, that you would log out, the session would exit, you would exit, then there would be a thank you on your computer screen, and then you should leave. Okay, so this was all the UGC-Net examination, how it looks like. And the plus point is it has got no negative marking. So in case you feel like I should attempt, even if you are not very sure with the answer, you can take a risk over here, because you don't have anything to lose, because no negative marking. And with this, I hope that I could answer a lot of your confusion or the questions you had regarding to UGC-Net. Thank you for watching, and in case you are new to the channel, you can subscribe and join the family. Bye bye, take care.